everyone, Ari Shaw here. Thanks for following my page, liking, subscribing, commenting. We've been talking about cryptocurrency ever since the fiasco with GameStop and how people are transitioning from moving their money from stocks and potentially going into a decentralized place such as cryptocurrency. With that being said, let's get into it. Today we'll be talking about our top 5 altcoins. So wait till the end and you will hear what we think is going to be catastrophic gains for everyone in the crypto space. We are not one of those people that believe in just Bitcoin or Ethereum. We don't believe in being tribalistic, and we want to grab as many bags when these projects have great teams and great visions for the future. All right, guys, let's get into it. And we're going to start with the number 2 coin in the market and a very popular fan favorite pick for people who watch my channel, Ethereum. Ethereum, the number 2 coin to Bitcoin, is the number 1 crypto in our top 5 coins to hold in 2021. So for those of you that don't know, Ethereum has been around for a long time. And Vitalik is the founder of Ethereum. Ethereum is a network where other decentralized applications and decentralized finance applications can build on top of, such as Uniswap, which we've covered in a previous video. Link to our Uniswap video below and the chain reaction of why retail investors should go to Uniswap after the Robinhood fiasco, GameStop, AMC, so on and so forth. That being said, let's stick to the video and talk about how Ethereum is set to break out even more. If you've been watching this channel, you know that we believe Ethereum will crack 2,000 by Valentine's Day. We're sticking to that prediction. We've mentioned it once, we've mentioned it twice, we're mentioning 3 times, so you heard it here. Ethereum passed 2,000 by Valentine's Day. So Ethereum has a lot of things coming up, such as Ethereum 2.0. And when we look here on CoinMarketCap, we see that it is 200 billion, their market cap. That's huge. That's huge. And they have a lot more they can do. But that being said, if we've been looking at Ethereum just the last month or two, we can see, let's go to the last 3 months, that they've been slowly but surely climbing up the ladder. All right. Everyone needs to know that back in 2017, when Bitcoin was 20,000, Ethereum was 1,400. Now Bitcoin is almost 50,000 and it's still in the 1,000 to 2,000 range. And remember, Ethereum is not competing with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up, it's not a bad thing for Ethereum. So for those of you that have invested in Ethereum and you're getting worried, don't be worried, sit tight. You're going to be seeing the gains very, very soon. All right. Right now, Ethereum is at 1762. That is a much lower price than it will be in the next few days. Comment below if you disagree. Comment if you think Ethereum might be going to 0. We created a video on Cardano. So if you want to know more about Ethereum and how the co-founder Charles Hoskinson left for Cardano and thinks Cardano is the Ethereum killer, the link will be in the description below. And yeah, so let's take a look at Ethereum's page. Welcome to Ethereum. Ethereum is community-run technology powering cryptocurrency and thousands of decentralized applications. Getting started, pick a wallet, get ETH, use a dApp. Funny they put dog, Dogecoin. Start building. What is Ethereum? A fair financial system, an open internet, frontier for development, and it is sitting at $1,763 1.276 million transactions per day, and they have 7,907 nodes across the globe. Value locked in decentralized finance. The amount of money in decentralized finance. Sorry about that. The money in decentralized finance is 38 billion. So let's look into Ethereum. Upgrade to Ethereum 2.0. So this is huge. A lot of news will be coming out this month, and Ethereum 2.0 is out. But think of it like this. Ethereum 2.0 is because Ethereum is super congested. People are paying super high gas fees, and people who use Uniswap now are complaining as the retail investors, saying that we're spending too much money to convert or trade our coins. So Ethereum is expensive, but they're the first to market besides Bitcoin, and it's just sitting there. And if there is a Ethereum killer, it's not going to be this year. People like Cardano will make huge gains, but when Cardano is at a 20 billion market cap and Ethereum is at a 200 billion market cap, you can see that the distance between the two is clear. That being said, the second coin that we're going to talk about is Cardano, the Ethereum killer, the coin we just made a video on yesterday, and the coin that has been outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not for like the last 5 years, but in the last 2 months, Cardano has been doing great. ADA has been doing big things. Most of their coins are delegated. They have an entire ecosystem, and their community is more involved than any other community. So let's take a look at their chart. Cardano is sitting at 69 cents. 69 cents, guys. And to those of you that don't have enough money to buy Bitcoin and are too worried to spend $1,000 on Ethereum, first off, you can buy a portion. But if you're a little bit more conservative, you wanted to invest into something that costs cents, has a great team, a great future, and truly wants to create a decentralized environment so power is back into the people's hands, then I would highly, highly take a look into Cardano. So if we just take a look at the last 3 months, we can see Cardano was sitting at 10 cents. 10 cents. You would have 7x your money. And yeah, it looks like it's too late to get involved with Cardano when you're looking at the 3-month time span, because we went from 10 cents to 70 cents. But when you look at everything, you see that back in 2017, Cardano was above $1.10. $1.12, I believe, is the peak. Yeah, $1.12. So we still have a long way to go. We still have at least more than 50% of its current value to just get to all-time highs. That's awesome. That's awesome for those of you that are Cardano holders. I hope you're holding on to your ADA. And just to go one step further, the world is changing. Cardano.org. Cardano is one of those applications that every single day they're giving more updates. I could have sworn I was on their website yesterday and it was completely different. But now let's go take a look at the Cardano roadmap. Okay, this was where I was. So Cardano is a very, very strong project and team. Charles Hoskinson was the co-founder of Ethereum, and because of disagreements between how Ethereum was going to move forward, he stepped away and started Cardano. And he has these 5 stages that he believes will allow Cardano not to just be the leader in being decentralized, not just be the leader in making smart contracts, but also scalability and cost while keeping people's privacy and ultimately gaining governance. So if you guys don't know about Cardano, educate yourself quick, because Cardano is going to be one of those very, very strong picks now and moving forward for the foreseeable future. So I think that's enough on Cardano, and we're going to go to our third coin, which is Polkadot. Polkadot, similar to Cardano, has a co-founder of Ethereum by the name of Dr. Gavin Wood. Polkadot, on the other hand, has not been around as long as Cardano and has a different approach to getting to the top. Polkadot wants to work with all different coins, and Cardano wants to move people away from Ethereum because they're faster, cheaper, and more scalable. You know, Charles Hoskinson says we're going to kick Ethereum 2.0's bleep, you know, that's how he feels. Whereas in Dr. Gavin Wood, the face of Polkadot, believes that there is no one greatest coin and that we all should be working together to be creating a better world. So two different perspectives, two very successful co-founders of Ethereum that both have their own project now. Dr. Gavin Wood wrote the underlying code for Ethereum Solidity, which is not too abundant any longer and is starting to get outdated. And Charles Hoskinson makes comments on this all the time. That being said, the CTO of Ethereum is the founder of Polkadot, and Polkadot has been available since, if you can see here, August 20th. And since that time, they got listed almost everywhere. They're not on Coinbase yet or Gemini, but once Cardano and Polkadot get onto Coinbase and Gemini, expect both coins to skyrocket, because other people are trying to get these coins. Binance.us is taking too long to get accepted. Gemini doesn't offer it. You know, maybe you can get it onto Kraken, but funding Kraken is difficult. You might have to send your crypto to Kraken and then get some Polkadot. And if you've been watching our videos, you know you can stake Polkadot for 12% on the Kraken exchange. Highly recommend that, and you get paid out rewards every 2 weeks. So let's take a look at Polkadot, about Polkadot platform for Web3. The Polkadot mission. We envision a web where our identity and our data is our own, safely secured from any central authority. Polkadot will enable a completely decentralized web where users are in control. Polkadot is built to connect private, public, and permissionless networks, oracles, and future technologies that are yet to be created. Polkadot facilitates an internet where interdependent blockchains can exchange information and transactions in a trustless way via the Polkadot relay chain. Polkadot makes it easier than ever to create and connect decentralized applications, services, and institutions. By empowering innovators to build better solutions, we seek to free society from its reliance on a broken web when its large institutions can't violate our trust. So he just wants the truth, and he wants to work with everyone and make sure that all of these coins are communicating with one another on the chain. The Web3 Foundation is partnering with best-in-class entities to build Polkadot and foster development of services and applications will run on it. Researchers from Paris and ETH, developers from Parity Technologies, and capital partners from crypto funds such as Polychain Capital and are all working together to develop a realization of Web3 with Polkadot as its core. If you've been watching our videos, you know Polkadot is directly correlated to Kusama, but we won't get too into that. As you can see right here, this is Dr. Gavin Wood. super impressive guy. He's the founder. Gavin began originating blockchain technology as co-founder and CTO of Ethereum, as we mentioned. He invented fundamental components of the blockchain industry, including solidity, as we mentioned, proof of authority, consensus, and whisper. At Parity, Gavin currently leads innovation on Substrate and Polkadot. He coined the term Web 3.0 in 2014 and serves as president of Web3 Foundation. So he has a huge vision. He is like the Tony Stark of our world, and he just wants to make the world a better place. If you guys haven't been watching, you can see that in the last 3 months, Polkadot was sitting at $4 and Polkadot is all the way at $21. Let's look at the last week. The last week, it got as high as 22. But as you can see before that, it was just stabilizing. This is when we were telling people to get in under that $20 mark. And we see Chainlink by the end of the year at least hitting $100, if not much higher. 100 is very conservative. I could see 100 happening in the next few months. We've been holding Chainlink, and Chainlink has huge potential. For those of you that have been watching, here's a secret gem. Chainlink is an Oracle project, but Google is involved, and AWS is involved on another project called Zero Chain. So Chainlink and AWS supposedly have been working on a project called Zero Chain. So do your due diligence, look into it, because if Amazon's involved, that's a coin you might want to get. All right. So comment below if you've heard the same thing, if you've heard it somewhere else, or if you've read about it in an article. That would be a huge project. Keep your eyes out for it. And, every once in a while, we throw out a gem while we're making these videos. So Polkadot is now sitting under $22, and it is looking like a project that is set to break out soon, because they had their breakout very early on back in August to December, and they haven't had too much price action in the last 3 months. I mean, not last 3 months, but the last 2 months, we haven't had too much price action, sitting between 15 to 20, But when we initially started, parabolic gains, and you can see we've been stabilizing. Polkadot is set for a big push. All right. So thus far, we've covered Ethereum, we've covered Cardano, we've covered Polkadot, and we've covered Chainlink. Chainlink is our next coin. So like I said, sorry guys, we were going through this video and I was showing you Polkadot when we were talking about Chainlink. But yeah, it goes Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Chainlink. Chainlink's sitting under $25. I got carried away there. Guys, it's crazy. Chainlink is booming. What's going on? I'm middle of this video and I'm giving you accurate information, but things change every second. Let's see what is Chainlink at. Chainlink is at $27. Earlier today, Chainlink was at $25. And guys, I was saying Chainlink, but I meant to say Polkadot when I was speaking 2 minutes ago. So Chainlink has been sitting under 25 for a while now. And now you can see Chainlink is breaking out. That is fantastic news. I didn't even know Chainlink was breaking out. That is looking good for my portfolio. And you can see that Chainlink was just sitting here at 10 to $25, 24, 25. It was just sitting here. And now it is finally breaking out. It is at the $27 mark. All right. Let's take a look at Chainlink. Okay, what do? Chainlink is hiring, so you can tell they have a big team and they're looking for more help. Connect your smart contract to the outside world. Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network provides liable, tamper-proof inputs and outputs to complex smart contracts on any blockchain, similar to what Polkadot wants to do, right? So they're backed by Aave, which is huge. Mark Cuban spoke on Aave a few days ago. Synthetics is a huge project. They just came out with synthetic tokens, and synthetic tokens can mimic a real stock. As a use case, Celsius is a wallet, and sorry guys, just keep getting calls here. So start building your universally connected smart contract. So they want to connect all the blockchains, any API, access any external data, highly secure and flexible infrastructure. All right. So Chainlink just went to $27. I was going to recommend you guys to buy it while it's around 25 and under, but we do see Chainlink 4xing at least from here on till the end of 2021, if not more than that. $100 Chainlink at the minimum. You heard it here. All right. And let's go to the last coin. And as a US resident, and I know a lot of you are US residents, not all of us want to say this, but BNB coin is doing exceptional. This is the Chinese exchange, and BNB fuels the Binance exchange with their token. So it's an internal pipeline, and they offer the most coins, and it really, they haven't even started to, wow, guys, this is crazy. I didn't even see that Binance had gone up so much just today. BNB was sitting at $81 earlier today. It just popped up to $108.90. I was very close to put Uniswap as my fifth coin, and definitely honorable mention to Uniswap. It is the DEX that has trade volume greater than Bitcoin and is built on the Ethereum wallet. However, gas fees have gone up, and Sushi Swap and 1inch have become competitors in their space and slowly taking their market cap. But BNB is our fifth coin. It is the coin that fuels Binance.com, the most highly traded exchange, and it's just super developed, and their success is inevitable. It's inevitable. Let's look at BNB just for those of you that don't know. BNB back in 2017 cost $1. BNB in 2018 cost $16. We get to 2019 and it cost $23. And then look at this. What goes up comes down and sustains. They don't do much advertising within their own platform. It just a natural internal growing pipeline as people buy, sell, trade. And a lot of US users who use Binance.com converted their altcoins into BNB because they didn't have many options, because now there's a Binance.us, but that's a story for another day. And now you can just see that it has gone absolutely crazy. I don't know if this is the price I would recommend you guys getting in at, and it's kind of crazy because they were just at $80 earlier today and now are nearing $110. But yeah, guys, that is Binance.com. That is BNB. If we go to their website, you see BNB powers the Binance ecosystem. As the native coin of Binance chain, BNB has multiple use cases, fueling transactions on the chain, paying for transaction fees on Binance exchange, making in-store payments, and many more. Buy BNB, store BNB, use BNB, burn BNB. You can really see the utility has developed. buy BNB. You can use Brave. You can purchase and sell BNB with Metal Pay, buy BNB in cash in 120 countries. Wallets you can put your BNB in. We have a Ledger wallet. We have a Trust wallet. Uh, we have an Exodus wallet. And we don't use any of the, oh, we also have an Atomic wallet, but we don't use any of these other wallets. But this just goes to show that even if you can't use the Binance .com exchange, if you're a US resident or you're waiting for your Binance.us account to be approved, you can move it to a hardware wallet and connect that hardware wallet to a MetaMask and then connect that to Uniswap, secret gem. Check out my videos on Uniswap for instructions on how to do that. BNB is the native asset for Binance Chain. It's the coin that fuels the entire Binance ecosystem. Just that alone should put this coin in your top 5. But yeah, guys, that's the top 5. And if you have any questions, comment below. What's your top 5 coins? And do you agree with what I'm saying, or do you completely think I am off? All these coins are already in the top 10, so it gives them good reason to be top 5. That being said, let me know if you want a top 10, or let me know if you want something that is outside the top 20 that I believe will get into the top 20 or the top 10. But with that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I hope this was valuable. If you haven't, smash that like button, share it with your friends and family that don't know about crypto. Grab those bags of Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, Ethereum, and BNB. And I'll see you next time with some more gems.